Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday, September 15th. It's your boy, Mr. DiRosario. How can I forget that? Here to give you the real, the raw wins, losses, and the flaws, baby. Trying a 50K Apex funded account, and I've been doing it for the past week and a half. I'm up $600 right now, so let's dive into the market on this No News Monday and see if we can find some opportunities. Currently on tech duties, so bear with me here, guys. I'm gonna be back and forth. Let's just look. We have about 15 minutes till market opens. Let's take a look. I want to show you guys what I'm looking at here. So we're on the hour time frame here, right? I drew in some support lines here. I have also demand here. I have London lows and I have a pair of equal lows here. So what I want the market to do today, I know that's a funny way to say it, but I would like to see is I would like when market opens, maybe another push to the up, but overall, I do want to see market come back down, tap into these, maybe tap into the supply, and there's a FVG there too, and then continue to create a new high. So this is kind of what I'm looking for. If we can find some shorts today, I'll be interested down to these lows here. But other than that, we're at all-time highs, guys. You could see this bullish. We have nice bullish structure here. Beautiful bullish structure here. Show y'all what I mean by that. So as you can see, we have a high, low, low, higher high, lower low, higher high. So as you can see, this is the structure we're looking at, right? Boom, broke there. Boom, broke there. Boom, broke there. And currently, we broke again. So as you can see, after every break, we always get a retracement, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking for here. We just broke during pre-session, I believe. Yep, during pre-session we broke. So I'm looking for a little retracement, right? This is possibly our protected low here, right? So I would like to see this get broken. I'd like to see this get broken, right? Boom, market structure shift, and then go for those lows. So that's what I'm looking at there, guys. It's kind of what I'm looking at. So let's see if we can get that for today. We have still about 10 minutes. And yeah, shall be back. See what the market gives us. I did mark out this high time frame SMT, bullish SMT here. As you can see, we took out these lows on NQ, but we did not take out those lows on ES. So yes, it looks like the SMT played out. We took out the buy side liquidity. So I mean, let's see what happens for today, man. Very curious to see what happens on the day. But yeah, shall be back, guys. All right. So as you can see here, the market has opened and we shot up right away when the market opened. Yes, looked like it was lacking a little bit, but we're just gonna be patient here. I want to see some retracement and then a setup. That's what I want to see. Some sort of retracement here. Some sort of retracement. Let's see, check the fib levels here. That's where we're staying. Like where this fair value gap is. There's some liquidity. We'll see, man. This is looking interesting. I do think we are bullish, so I am looking for a retracement and then a setup to the upside. So let's just wait it out. I'll be back. What's up? I'm back. Sorry, currently making breakfast for my daughter too. Watching both charts. It's low volume right now, a little bit choppy. I'm not really seeing anything. It is a Monday, but I do want to catch an opportunity today. I did kind of see this happen. I seen we took out this sell side liquidity, but we didn't take it out on NQ. As you can see, we didn't take it, but we took it on here, and then we shot up. We closed above this. So I just projected something here. You know me, guys, I like to project and just see what price action is like it likes to do. But this seems like it would have been okay. Oh, there you go. That would have been the hit right there. So not, it was a 1.67. That wasn't actually bad. I should have maybe took that in hindsight. But it's all good. Like I said, we stay patient, so we ain't worrying about nothing. That would have been a nice play, but I don't even trade it yet, so I probably wouldn't have took it, to be honest. That was a clean setup for me. I'll note that for next time. Definitely journal that for next time. And I should say this is I have had problems journaling. I find it very tedious to write down every single trade I take or something like that. But what I've been finding is me doing these recordings while I'm trading. That is my journaling. So I feel like there's not a strict way of how you journal. I think as long as you are looking back and journaling some way, looking back at your trade, seeing what you're doing, I think that's fine. I didn't really get the setup on NQ. We did have this little FVG that got inverted here, but yeah, should have took that just based on the SMT, right? Probably should have took that. Let me explain what I mean to you guys. So there was a setup. So there was this small 1 minute FVG here. We actually have equal lows there, so we might actually come back down to that. Yeah, we had this FVG here, right? We came down, created this FVG. Didn't really see any liquidity it took, but now that I'm looking back at it, there was a bullish SMT here because we took this lot, we took this here, all right? Took this here on ES, and on NQ we didn't take it. So that should have been my confirmation to once we inverted this, right? Go on the close, right? I probably would have put my stops behind this because this was probably the low at the moment. And then I would have see there's nothing to target because we're at all-time highs. That's why I probably wouldn't have took this trade. But once again, the setup did make sense. Made sense to me. That was actually a good play. But like I said, we're gonna stay patient. That's what we're gonna do. All right. Got some equal lows down here. Maybe if we can get a tap off of one of those, because we did create this bullish gap here now. So see, I could have even entered on the retracement here for that. Let's see. I do think we're gonna come for these lows though, man. I do think we're gonna come for those lows, man. When, I don't know. I hope I'm on the chart when we're going for it though. But yeah, guys, that's what we're still being patient. I'm gonna go feed my daughter her breakfast. My wife is currently on her live right now with her class, teaching her class. So we're just gonna stay patient. Hopefully we can catch something for you guys to see. All right, guys, let's see, what is the market doing? I was looking at gold a little bit. Didn't really see nothing crazy. Haven't traded gold in a while, so ain't nothing confident going on there. Just seem like we're just going up right now. I'm not just gonna jump into a position blindly. Just still waiting on that retracement. Give me a bearish FVG after taking liquidity and invert that, and that's the setup I'm waiting for today. It's like supply and demand wise. I mean, let me see. Supply and demand wise, I did have this down here because of all this liquidity lying under here. That's where I want it to go. That's where I really want my retracement to go. Do have this supply area here, right? With liquidity lying underneath it. There was no liquidity on the move up, so it could come down. Let's say we were drawing this as a demand zone. Liquidity lying right underneath it, right? That could be something there. Fib too. It's right in line with the fib. That's something to look out for. Sure. But for now, guys, sorry, I ain't got no moves right now. We're just waiting. Caught up in this big FVG here. What, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Yeah, what can I say, man? But yeah, guys, it's one of those days, right? One of those days. What's up, Zai Zai? Hold on, I'm doing a video, you know. Yeah, daddy's working, just like mommy. Yeah. Guys, I'll be back where I'll still be here for a little bit, seeing what's going on with this market, see if we could still get an opportunity. I'll be back. Yo, just had this random big candle right here. Now I'm confused. So we basically filled the gap. I don't know what Price wants to do today. I'm telling you that. I don't know what Price wants to do. It's just made a new high while NASDAQ didn't. So I could be a play for the downside here. We're gonna wait and see, guys, because like I said, I don't know, man. It's Monday, no news Monday. I don't know if we're gonna find anything today. Yeah, setups aren't appearing, guys. I did project this right here because we rejected this FVG plenty of times. So I entered on this candle here and just for a 1 to 7, just to the next FVG, and it hit perfectly. So yeah, I don't know what's going on the day, guys. Really don't. Trying to be patient because that's very important here, is to stay patient and don't get naive and ahead of ourselves, right? See, like I like this, but I don't like this. Don't like that. Let's see if we close above. Let's see. That close above. Yeah. Oh no, it wasn't even really to close above, was it? This would be something I would take, guys. But this candle just ruined it because, like, I'm not gonna lie. But let's see. Oh, we go break even here. Go break even here. Yeah. Something like that. But we didn't really get the, we did get the close above. Okay. We're going back for the little retracement. Let's see what it does here. What's ES doing? Okay. So let's see. Get the candle close below it. I think it's invalid. Didn't get the candle close. Okay. There. I think that there would tell me that it's invalid. Still no candle close yet. Okay. Might be telling me we're finally making our decision where we want to go for the day. So I believe this is going to be a candle close below. So this would be invalid here. This trade here would be invalid. Yeah, and that would be a closer. I wouldn't even wait to stop. I'd probably close it. I'd probably close it. And like I said, this candle was weird, bro. I don't know what that candle is. The move I did have for gold, still going. Look at that. Okay. That was weird. Let's see what happens here, man. This candle's really messing me up right here, man. So let's see. Okay, I have another break here. That this ain't even a move. This doesn't even make sense. Whatever the hell that was. Of course I could wash your hands, my baby. One sec, guys. I gotta wash my daughter's hands. So that based on that last projection where I dove back in, would be at break even at this point. We took the break even. I'd be at break even, and then we'd see where it goes from there. Right? Aiming for the highs. Like I said, I haven't seen the setup I want. Like I just haven't. Look, we're respecting this FVG again. We could just be going right back down to this section again. We could. Got another rejection from it. We could just be going right back down again. Could. Neither of these are my setups, guys. So right now I'm basically just playing around, kinda. Not seeing my setup, man. If you don't see the setup, you don't trade. Here's what it is. Which one, right? It's respecting it. I'm guessing if it breaks this, that's when it's just gonna create a new high. Still respecting it again. There we go. Need some displacement through it. That's what we need. Need some displacement through it. There's the displacement we talking about. There's the displacement we are talking about. Check that. Delete this. Could be getting interesting here. Let's see what's going on. So this move I would still be in if I had taken it, obviously, guys. Not the setup. So we're just seeing. We're just seeing. These are the emotions you go through when you're trading, right? You might be seeing stuff that ain't there. You might be seeing stuff that's there and you don't take, right? Could be getting a candle close above this, which I do believe if we do get that candle close, we're gonna go for these right here. So let's see. 10 seconds. Let's see if we get that candle close. Nope. Not getting the candle close. So that would have been a nice displacement candle, but we didn't get the close. We did not get the close. Oh, there it is. That could be it right there. Or maybe not. I think if we close above, we're going for these. Let's see. We're gonna wait for the close. We're gonna wait for the close. Gonna wait for the close. Don't close again. That is kind of a close, isn't it? No, it's not. Looks like we don't wanna. I'm kind of did close above it. Close above it. See, could be respecting it again. Yeah, price action sucks today. There you go. There's the close. There's the close. But this completely trash. But yeah, we're gonna take them highs for sure. We're gonna take them highs. We take. We took this one. That one wouldn't have been a full target. Still a good play, especially if you're doing proper risk management. You know, taking partials and whatnot. That was a risk. Would have been a risk-free trade, and yeah, see what happens here. Gonna get rid of this because we closed. We already closed. I like that reaction though off this FVG right here. That's a crazy reaction. The type of reactions I like. And there's been nothing all day, bro. That would have been the break-even point right there. So it didn't really hit the target. It hit this one though. Could have been taking partials on that, if anything. Let's see. Still respecting this here. Oh, we got some displacement under it. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I like it. But that close below this could be going for this, possibly. Oh, there we go. See what I'm saying? Not quick with it, man. I'm learning. I'm still on the job. But those equal lows just looked juicy, man. Like, it was the obvious. The moment we closed below it. You guys are just watching me miss in 4K. Damn. Oh, there we go. Took those. So this trade would probably be a break even the moment we hit this. Go break even. Well, this probably would be the target, to be honest. Then boom, would have break even. Done get hit. Okay. Break even would have done got hit there. All right, guys, 1 second. I got to bring my daughter to the washroom because she is bothering me while I am working. So I shall be back. Yeah, is done her live, and these markets aren't giving us nothing today, guys. Nothing. Look which one looks like it's gonna hit. The gold one that I said that completely wouldn't have took this. I was our setup, so maybe I should be trying gold, but it's okay, guys. I rather have no trades than losing trades. So it's 10:58. I don't know. I got other things to do and keep my brain on this chart. So I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. We didn't catch anything, so yeah, at least you guys got to see like a little run through maybe of what I'm looking for, how I handle my emotions while the market's going live. Just keep busy, man. Like I got my youngest daughter here still. She starts school next year, so wifey was on her live, so I gotta be tech for that too. So I just keep myself busy, man. Try not to get attached to what's going on in the market. If I miss something, um, easier said than done, man. It took me a while to get to this point, psych wise, right? But yeah, it's great. This place still actually in motion right here. This little projection, but hey, we don't take projections, right? So till tomorrow, hopefully we get a better trading day tomorrow. It's Tuesday. And I'll see y'all then. Yepers. All right. Well, guys, as soon as I clicked pause on the stream, this weird candle just arrived, and so I did go to pause this recording, and then this just happened. Boom. I don't know, guys. This is what I'm saying. Today is just moving weird. Like it was literally a perfect 1 to 2. But I wouldn't have aimed that far. I would have managed my trade till then. But this would have just hit, man. Look at this, right? And the reason why I projected this trade, let me give you the breakdown on the reason why, right? It only makes sense. So we had a small, no, we didn't even have a FVG, did we? We did not have an FVG. Let me see. No, we didn't have a FVG at all. But oh no, sorry. We created this FVG here. I wasn't looking to invert, but I was seeing, because we're so bullish, we just been bullish. Like, let's see how we react to it. So I seen this reaction, and then I've been noticing these a lot, guys. To zoom in here. Been noticing these a lot. These little jumps from the gaps, right? So like we were literally here, and then before it closed, it just popped up here. And that made me, I've seen that reaction before. If you guys remember that first video that I did where I missed the opportunity, I jumped at it because of the reaction it made off the FVG and entered there. And looks like that could be that I could be catching myself possibly every now and then, right? Because I don't want to just be an inverted FVG trader. I want to actually know how FVGs work. So I see this all the time, right? Reacting off off the bullish FVG that it makes, right? Comes back down, tests it, and then boom, right? But yeah, actually gone off the markets now because I don't believe the market's going to give me anything while I'm on it. Maybe when I'm gone, but I'll take a look at that later. But yep, catch you guys on the next stream. Yuppers.